Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu and welcome to I Play Chess. In this video, we are going to learn how chess pieces move. The queen can move upwards, downwards, to the left or right or in any of the four diagonals. And the queen can go just one square on this line or to the end of the line or to any of the squares in between. Similarly, if the queen wants to move on this diagonal, queen can go either here or here or here or here. How about on the left? How many possible squares can the queen move to in one move? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. The queen can go to any of these four squares in one move. So similarly on this diagonal, any of these three squares. Upwards, the queen can go to any of these three squares. Any of these three on this diagonal. Any of these three squares on the right side. And any of these squares on the downwards diagonal. So when the queen moves, this is how it looks. Or if you want to move the queen on the left to the end of the board, then you move it to the end of the board and drop it there. The rook always moves in straight lines, either to the left, right, downwards or upwards. And just like the queen, the rook can go just one square on this line or to the other end of the board or to any of the squares in between. Can you find which squares this rook can go to in one move on the right side? It can go here or here or here. How about downwards? How many possible squares can the rook move to in one move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And upwards, the rook can go either here or here. So when the rook moves, this is how it looks. Or if the rook wants to go leftwards and just one square towards the left, then the rook will go from here to here. The bishop can always move in diagonals. And just like the queen and the rook, the bishop can move either one square or go to the end of the board or go to any of the squares in between. The king can go to any of the squares that is just beside it. So how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The king can go to one of these 8 squares in one move. What about this black king? If the king can go only one square beside it, then the black king can go either here or here or here. So only 3 possible squares the black king can move to in one move. The knight always moves in an L shape. Here is another L. One more L. One more L. Also inverted L's. When the knight can go in this L shape, it can also go in this L shape. So here it will go to this square and upwards it can go here, and on the right side the knight can go here. Now these are the 8 squares to which the knight can move when the knight is sitting in the center of the board. I will draw the circles one more time. The knight can go here here. These are the 8 squares where the knight can go to in one move. Can the queen go from here to here? The answer is yes. Can you recall how a queen moves? Queen always moves towards its left or right or up or down or in any of the 4 diagonals. So my question, can the queen go to this square in one move? The answer is yes. Can the bishop move to this square in one move? The answer is no, because the bishop cannot move upwards. The bishop always moves in diagonals. Can the rook go to this square in one move? Yes, the rook can go there because that is how a rook moves. It can move forward or upwards, down or left or to the right. Can the king go to this square in one move? No, because the king in one move can only go to any of the squares that is just beside it. Can the knight go to this square? Answer is yes, because this square is at an L shape from the knight. So the knight can go to this square in one move. Can the knight go here? In one move, the knight cannot go here because knight cannot just go and stop there. How does a knight move? A knight always moves in the L shape. So if the knight starts from here, it has to finish its L shape and reach here. I hope you liked this video and also learned how all chess pieces move. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button and also leave your comments in the comment box. And until you see me in the next video, go ahead and tell all your friends proudly, I play chess.